Hi and welcome to the first of our serotonin sessions. Simple routines, workouts, exercise routines to get the serotonin flow. And serotonin, as you know, is the good mood hormone, and moving around almost any form of exercise will help it to circulate. Serotonin is often at its lowest first thing in the morning, so this is an ideal workout to start first thing in the morning. And what we're going to do in this workout is the simplest of all, 4 very, very simple Tai Chi movements. We're going to do swinging arms, 2 variations of this movement, left to right. We're going to do 1 variation of swinging arms, backwards and forwards, rising and sinking. And then we're going to finish off with this movement. It's called Heaven and Earth. And what I'm going to do is link to tutorials for all of these movements that we posted elsewhere on this channel. So if you want to check them out, learn how to do the movement in the first place, then feel free. We're going to do each movement for 1 minute, just 1 minute each, so 4 minutes in total with a transition between each movement. And I've got my exercise timer here, and it's going to count us into each minute with, you'll hear the gong going. So let's get into it. So the first movement is the simplest variation of swinging arms. All I'm doing is keeping my feet about hip width apart, nice and planted on the floor, and all I'm doing is turning from side to side and allowing my arms to fly around, looking where I'm turning to, and we're going to keep this up for a minute. This is the first variation of swinging arms. Great way to get moving first thing in the morning. And then we're going to soon transition into the second swinging arms variation. So the next variation, all I'm going to do is begin to lift my heels here. And what this does, what this means is that I can turn a bit further with each rotation, turning from side to side. I'm looking all the way behind me. This is a great exercise for spinal health. Thinking about this side to side movement, I'm still tapping my hands on my lower back and on my shoulder. And perhaps sinking a little bit here, turning on the balls of my feet. A little bit further into this movement, and then we're going to change it again into the third variation of swinging arms. Coming on for a minute. And next variation of swinging arms, and back to a standing position here, and I'm going to swing my arms this way. One arm is coming backwards as the other one comes forwards, and I'm sinking and rising here. I kind of feel like I'm in a sort of 80s disco. Sinking and rising and turning from side to side. You notice here that there's also something else going on, which is that I'm turning at the waist as well as lifting my arms and hands up in the air. About another 20 seconds. Sink and rise, sink and rise, turn and turn, swinging the arms backwards and forwards. And the very last movement, we're going to do this movement. So feet are hip width apart, hands to the sides, and I'm going to bring my hands up. This is called Heaven and Earth. Again, one of the simplest Tai Chi movements there is. Bring my hands up to shoulder height and sink back down. Rise and sink. Rise and sink. And let's think about the breath as well. Bring the breath into it. Inhaling as I rise, exhaling as I sink. Hands come up to about shoulder height, and in the starting position my palms are facing the floor. In fact, they're facing the floor all the way through the movement. A few more, then we're done. So a super simple Tai Chi based movement workout that you can practice. You have a go at practicing perhaps first thing in the morning, based on 4 Tai Chi movements: swinging arms, 2 variations of swinging arms left and right, 1 forwards and backwards, and this movement called Heaven and Earth. One of the simplest workouts that is possible to do, and also something we do pretty much every day, if not every week, here at the Soma Space. Check it out if you've enjoyed this. There's lots more serotonin sessions on this playlist. Like and subscribe, and also check the description where we've got the offer of our Movement for Mental Health 12-lesson program. Thanks for watching.